VELCRO brand. I use it for a lot of my crafts at home as well as a lot of sewing. So when I found out they had a pop-up shop, I immediately knew I had to come in and check it out.
I didn't really know what to expect coming in, but it was a fun experience.
And then you're going to say how you would hack this into your life.
Look at it. Oh, you won the bag too. Woohoo! VELCRO Brand in New York City!
What is this amazing thing here? It's like all of this holiday stuff all of a sudden. It's just really cool.
We have a special guest today. We have Sabrina Soto, who's going to have a workshop for us at 6:30. It's coming up.
Today I am making a holiday pillow out of 2 dinner napkins. The end product looks exactly like this. The thing about using sticky back for fabric, it's so easy to put on. You put it on like a sticker. After 24 hours, it becomes permanent on the fabric. You could even wash it.
I love that I can bring my family in, we can do a craft together, that I can walk around and find things to use for my cords, that it just has so many things available that I didn't even really think of. So I'm glad that it's opened my eyes to that.